Morning children, how are you? Are you writing fair notes by watching my videos or not? So everyone watch my videos and let it be right in the notes, okay? So otherwise you are by watching and leaving, you are not getting any concept of this mathematics. So work on problems, doing problems. So watch my videos, write a pen down in the notes and practice solid examples and given homework. Okay, see last exercise, polynomials and factorization, exercise 2.5, problem number 8. Factorize each of the following. See what is this here? 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6a b square. So factorize using identities. Here let it be checked. The identity will be applicable or not by observing if you know identities. What are the identities? Here cubes are there. So a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube. What is a plus b whole cube? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. A minus b whole cube is a cube minus b, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So here 8a cube. 8a cube can be written as 8 can be written as 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. So 2a whole cube and here b cube. So like this is a cube plus b cube. What is the next one? 3a square b. Let us first write 3. A square means 2a whole square b. So 2a whole square is 2 square 4, 4 3 is 12, 12a square b. So next 3ab square, 3 into a, 2a, b square. So 3 2 is 6, a b square. So that is, this is in the form a plus b whole cube. What is a? 2a. What is b? b. So this can be written as 2a plus b whole cube using the identity a plus b whole cube. Next, see next one. 8b cube minus 12 by 5 b square plus 6 by 25 b minus 1 by 25. So here you have to check what are the perfect cubes. See 8b cube. 8b cube we can write 2b whole cube. 1 by 25 can be written as 1 by 5 whole cube. Okay. So this is a cube minus b cube. So what is a cube? A minus b whole cube, a cube minus b cube. What are the terms? Minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So let us write minus 3a square b. Minus 3 into a square. What is a? 2b whole square. B 1 by 5. So 2b whole square is 4b square. 4 into 3, 12b square by 5. Here is 12b square by 5. Next 3ab square, 3 into a, 2b, b square, 1 by 5 whole square. 3 to the 6b into 1 by 25, 6b by 25. Okay. So now it is in the form a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So this can be written as a minus b whole cube. What is a here? 2b. What is b? 1 by 5. So 2b minus 1 by 5 whole cube. Okay. Hope you have understood. So two problems are homework, second one, third one. So those two problems you have to do at your home using a minus b whole cube. And let us see some more problems. So next, factorize the following, that is 10th one. So 10th one is using different identities. Before problem we have done a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube. So here a cube plus b cube, a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So using these two identities we factorize these problems. See here 27a cube plus 64b cube. So see here This is 27 a cube. A cube is there. 27 also we can write perfect cube. 27 can be written as 3 cube. 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27. So this can be written as 3a whole cube. 64 b cube can be written as 64 can be written as 4 cube. So 4b whole cube. So it is in the form of a cube plus b cube. That is a plus b, 3a plus 4b into a square, 3a square minus ab, 3a into 4b plus b square, 4b square. That is 3a plus b, 3a whole square, 9a square, 3 4s are 12, 12ab, 4 square, 16b square. Okay, so you have to do the second one, 343 y cube minus 1000. So this that you can write 7. Okay, 7y whole cube minus 10 cube. Do that problem. So let us see next one. See next problem. Factorize using the identity 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. So this we can factorize using this identity. Remember this identity a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Okay, so using this identity we can factorize the above. See, let us check is it in this form or not. Whether here 27x cube, 27 can be written as 3x, 3 cube. 27 can be written as 3 cube. 3 cube is 27. So 3x whole cube. Y cube plus z cube. This we can write minus 3 ABCD is minus 3 into here 3x into yz. So we can factorize using this identity. So 27x cube we can write 3x whole cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 into a 3x into y into z. So apply this identity a plus b plus c. This is a, b, c. 3x plus y plus z. A square plus b square. 3x whole square plus y square plus z square. Minus ab minus 3x into y. Minus bc y into z. Minus ca z into cn means z into 3x. So that is 3x plus y plus z, 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3zx. Okay. So using this identity we can simplify some problems. Okay.